Welcome to the Long Room, Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
What are we doing today?
Today we're going to get a 2-week grocery haul, but it's still going to be pretty small.
All right, let's get to it.
All right.
Cheetos.
You're going to come back and do that after. All right, now we're going to grab some of these Cheetos, which are still on rollback. Now you can do it.
Cheetos.
Nobody can see that. Okay, they don't have the Baconettes this week with the queso flavor, so we're just going to go with the original Max. I assume that's the price right there. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what that says, but I think it says Max Original. Okay, we're grabbing 4 of these, so that'll be for our son for 2 weeks. I bought a rebate for 4. You get 75 cents off, so might as well get all 4 at one time. Last for 2 weeks instead of getting 2 and not getting 75 cents back. So, we're grabbing 2 of the cream cheeses, and is that $3.18 or $1.68?
$1.68 for one.
$1.68 for one. Okay. Big shocker here, I know, right? 2 cookies and cream Pop-Tarts. They're $1.78. All right, we're just gonna grab 2 of these reduced sodium chicken broths, $1.68. This is more for a stockpile thing because we make chicken broth at home, but we like to keep a little stockpile just in case we need chicken broth for anything and we maybe don't have it made in time or something like that, because it takes like 48 hours to make it. Okay, and we're also grabbing, we need 4 cups of beef broth for a recipe, and that's one of the things, unsalted would be good. And that's one of the things that we don't typically make beef broth at home because we don't normally have beef bones that we can soak to make it. So we just go ahead and we're gonna get the unsalted. We're gonna get 2 cans of Rotel diced tomatoes because we're gonna make that low carb taco soup again. Yummy. Okay, Joel said that one of his co-workers brought some robin eggs up into the store. Now he has to buy some. How many you get? Okay. And anytime he buys robin eggs, he buys our son some Peeps. So just getting one of those. Yeah. So one of these. Okay. And since Joel's getting robin eggs, I'm gonna get these because I love Junior Mints. Where'd it go? Right there. $1.24. Okay, we usually get a block of Parmesan, but they only have the Asiago here, so whoops. So we're gonna grab this instead. It's pre-shredded, but it's not. It doesn't have the stuff in it that is in like the canned green container. That's in the dried stuff. It still has to stay cold. So we're gonna grab that, and this is the price according to the thing. All right, and Joel is gonna grab this, like we mentioned before. On the days that he has a mid or late shift, he has to eat breakfast at home. So he's kind of like on a little making a breakfast sandwich kick. So he grabs this right here. Do you know what the price is?
$4.98.
$4.98. All right, and we're gonna make some French fries for some pulled pork. So we're grabbing just 1 potato. So we're also grabbing this bag of red potatoes. It's 3 pounds for $3.58, as opposed to those bags over there, though, $3.47, and they're like, what is that, 24 ounces? So this is a better deal here. And we're also going to grab 1 sweet potato so that when they have the pulled pork, I will just have my pulled pork on a sweet potato. Yep, that's good. Okay, and this past week I did chicken salad on romaine lettuce, and I'm going to do that again this week. It worked out really well, and I'm going to do either chicken salad or tuna salad because I got both options in my house.
All right, so there's our Walmart haul. It was $56.91, and now we're off to Sam's Club.
So we're going to grab 1 of these containers of coconut oil. There we go. We looked at Walmart and there were 2 containers that were this size. One didn't have a lid at all, the other one was broken, but also it was $13 for that same size. This is $8.86. Okay, and so we are like we usually do, we grab one of these things of Pepsi's and we tell our son, yes, make them last for like 3-4 weeks. It's $15.78. That's gone up in price, but it's still cheaper than the Coca-Cola, just right down there. And it's $17. This is $15 and that's $17. And you get one more can with that one than you do with that one. So there you go. Okay, so we're grabbing one of these 2-pound blocks of sharp cheddar cheese, $6.78. And we're also going to grab one of these 2 pounds of mild cheddar, $6.73. If y'all are wondering, we don't eat that all in 1 week. We generally freeze about half of it and pull it back out later. Also, Joel grabbed some more French bread, and I know we bought that at Walmart, but what we decided is we're just going to go ahead and divide these up and put some in the freezer and then thaw them out when he needs them, because sometimes we have trouble finding these. So yeah, go ahead and get it while we're at Sam's Club today, and then divide it so that we don't have to worry about it.
All right, so there's our Sam's haul, and we haven't got it divided up. We bought a couple things that wasn't grocery related, so
Off of our household essential sinking fund.
correct. So we'll put that total here, and then
What it was without the household essential sinking fund.
correct. And then this is our total for the month, what we have left, and then
And we'll go shopping one more time this month.
yep, we sure will.
Yep, and that's out of a budget of $600 for 3 people. And anything that we have left ends up in our household essential sinking fund. But like we said, we got one more week to go. So let's talk about our meal plan.
Let's do it.
Okay, we're having grilled chicken. We were gonna have that like probably a week ago or something, but we kept pushing it back. But anyway, we had bought a little grill in case we lost power during hurricane, whichever one. That was the summer. We had 2. It was the first one. But anyway, and we never lost power, so we never even took it out of the box. So we were gonna make the grilled chicken a couple of days ago, and we realized that we actually have to put the grill together because that's who we are as people. We didn't even take it out of the box to see that. We just kind of thought we were just gonna pull it out of the box and lift the little legs and it was going to be right, good to go, and it was not. It was a lot of stuff that had to be done, so we have to do that. Like we've got it together now, so it's ready so that we can use it. We made something else like really quick, like in the house, to make up for the fact that we didn't have it. So anyway, we pushed back the grilled chicken, and so we're going to have that Sunday. Well, that was a lot to say a little, but anyway.
And then we're going to do pulled pork, which we're going to pull out of our freezer.
Yep, it's already been cooked. We're going to have a whole chicken, a spatchcock chicken, whatever you want to call it, where you cut the backbone of the chicken.
And then we're going to take the leftover chicken from that and do green enchiladas.
Yes, that was a requested recipe for us, and we've never made them, so it's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, if you see a little logo that says recipe alert, that means that we have made. If you see a little logo that says recipe alert, it means we have made it, and you can find it in our recipe playlist or down in the description. I'll try to link it. But if you do not see that recipe alert button, then that means that we have never made it, and you're welcome to vote for it to be one of the next recipe of the week videos. So, go down in the comments.
Yeah.
Click it. Say that you want to see it. Anyway, green enchiladas will be a trying it something new for us and a requested video. So it will be shown one way or the other. And then we're going to have bacon fried rice.
And then we're going to do Spanish rice.
That's going to be a try something new for us. I mean, we've had it in restaurants. We've just never made it.
Yeah.
So then we have homemade pizza.
And then that weekend, I have a work retreat that Chrissy's going with me on. So we're going to be going there. So we won't be cooking anything on Sunday night. At least not at home.
Nope. when we get back, we won't have been there to like set out anything or thought anything out. So I thought, let's just eat breakfast foods.
And then we're going to do chicken and broccoli stir fry.
And then we're going to do that low carb taco soup again.
And then cracked chicken potatoes.
That's going to be a try something new. And then we're going to have leftovers because that should make like 6 or 7 potatoes. And we wouldn't be eating that many.
And then homemade pizza.
And we're going to finish off with a few weeks ago we made some cilantro lime chicken, and I noticed like 2 days later that no one was eating the leftovers, so I quickly took out a Ziploc bag, threw it in the freezer. We're taking it back out.
All right.
Gonna just reheat it and make some burritos.
All right, so drop a comment below. Let us know what you'd like to vote on for the recipe of the week. We'd love to hear that. And any other comments you'd like to drop below, we'd love to read those as well.
If you have any recipe suggestions, let us know.
That's right.
For the most part, we're pretty open, except for like sushi or super expensive ingredients, or there's just a handful of that's not happening kind of stuff. So,
and then we want to say, just go if you like these recipes, go and check out our recipe playlist. We'll go ahead and put one of our other recipes up here. Go check those out. See how we make things and what we eat and stuff like that.
That's right. Put it right there on my face.
That's right. All right, so that's going to do it today for the Long Run, Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.